We'll guide you through how to use Dropbox free and make the most of its features. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Once there, click on the Sign Up button if you don't already have an account. You'll need to enter your name, email, and create a secure password before you can proceed. After signing up, you can log in to your new Dropbox account. Now, let's start uploading files. Click on the Upload button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the interface. You can choose to upload files or even entire folders from your computer. Just select what you want to upload and hit Open to start the process. Dropbox will handle the rest. Once your files are uploaded, you can organize them into folders. Click New Folder to create one and drag your files into it for better organization. Sharing files is easy too. Hover over the file or folder you want to share, click the Share button, and enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. You can even set permissions to allow others to view or edit your files. For accessing your files on the go, you can install the Dropbox app on your iPhone or Android. Just download it from the App Store or Google Play Store, sign in, and all your files will be at your fingertips. Using Dropbox free efficiently involves managing your space wisely since you're limited to 2 gigabytes. Regularly clean up old files and make use of cloud storage for items you don't need immediate access to. This way, you'll always have space for what's important. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.